Ford Model T, once known as the car that put the world on wheels, is back in 2025, and it's nothing like you remember. Ford has reimagined its century-old icon, blending vintage charm with cutting-edge innovation. This isn't just a car revival, it's a revolution in automotive nostalgia. Design. At first glance, the 2025 Model T is unmistakably a nod to its 1908 ancestor. The high roof, open fenders, and signature grille scream retro, but the sleek LED lights, carbon fiber body panels, and aerodynamic tweaks tell a different story. This is a 21st century machine with old-school flair. Electric powertrain. Gone are the gas engines and crank starters. The new Model T is fully electric, powered by a compact 75 kWh battery offering up to 300 miles of range. With instant torque and zero emissions, the car pays tribute to the past while driving boldly into the future. Interior. Step inside and you'll find a minimalist interior that respects the original simplicity, but with a modern twist. A panoramic touchscreen replaces the dashboard, AI voice assistant controls every feature, and sustainable leather-free materials add an eco-friendly touch. Technology. The 2025 Model T comes equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving, wireless charging, and over-the-air updates. Whether you're commuting or cruising on weekends, this car adapts to your lifestyle while honoring a legacy. Price and market. With a starting price of around $35,000, Ford aims to make the Model T accessible once again, just like the original. This isn't just a collector's car, it's designed for the modern driver who craves history and high-tech in the same package. Final thoughts. The 2025 Ford Model T isn't just a tribute, it's a bold reinvention of a legend. By combining heritage, technology, and sustainability, Ford has delivered a car that bridges centuries. The Model T is back, and it's ready to change the world, again.